This is Dr. Glick, and we will be reviewing how to clean your device. The two mouthpieces will be cleaned like normal with daily brushing of the inside and outside using a soapy water mixture. In addition to this daily cleaning of the mouthpieces, it is good to clean the nose piece using a damp cloth and wipe the area that is inserted into your nose. Weekly, it is recommended that you soak the tubing in a lukewarm, soapy water bath. First, remove the nasal pillows as shown. Then, place tubing into your sink or water basin. After the bath, rinse components and place on a towel to air dry. Reassemble the components and, as always, check to make sure that all components fit and are intact. Remember to use a mild soap without moisturizer, alcohol, or antiseptic. Should you have any questions, please see our other videos on YouTube, information on our website at www.spiradental.com, or please contact our office.